All right, welcome back. So this project we're going to do a little bit different than the other ones. So this is project number 6, Adobe Creative Cloud 2022 Basics. And I'll tell you what happened. I'll be straight up with you. I was recording, but I wasn't recording. So this is good and bad, right? So this is what we're going to be building, okay? So we're going to lay out the graphics for Adobe Creative Cloud 2022 Basics just like this, okay? And so what I want you to do is follow along with me here, and I'll show you exactly how I did this, okay? And then once we've laid this out, then I want you to go off on your own and make your own effects, okay? Make your own, be creative with it, okay? Not make your own, be creative with it and have fun with it, okay? So here's what we're going to do. I've already created this project. So I could do one of two things. I could delete everything, or I can walk you through what I did and then have you do it. Okay, and that's what I'm going to do. So we're going to go to Firefox, and what I did is I went to learntechprojectfiles.com, Adobe After Effects 2022 projects. I clicked on Adobe Creative Cloud 2022 Basics, downloaded the file, which you can see is already here. Then what I did is I saved this in my documents and then projects. I created a folder called 06, project number 6, Adobe Creative Cloud 2022 Basics. Okay. Then we created the file, which is right here. I brought the file in, and then also this. So these are all the files that I used. I brought all these in. Okay. I imported it like we've done with all the other projects we've been working on. Like so. And then I timed it out. So I gave them about a 5-second interval for each one, except for thank you, which is a lot longer, so that we can have this set up so you can start adding your own effects to it. Okay. And this is what we're going to be doing for the next, I'd say 6 projects. I'm going to be laying everything out for you, and then I want you to go and make something different. Okay. The point of this is a couple things: repetition, learning, practice, and improving. So learn, practice, improve. The only way to get really good at this is to be doing the same exercise over and over again, repetition. So that's what we're going to do. Like I said, this project is more unorthodox because normally I'm walking you through, and I'm glad this happened because I thought I was recording. I clearly wasn't. Okay. So this is a different way to kind of advance what you've been doing. So in the next project, I will walk you through more than what I'm doing in this one. Okay. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.